don't know how much battery I have. I'm kind of hoping it's not so squirrely like it was last time. And we're on a 3D printed prop, so fingers crossed. Oh, I gotta run it. It's pitching up a lot. Where is it going? Hold on. Pitching really hard. Pitching really hard to the right. As long as the prop isn't broken, we're okay. Seems to be okay. It's pitching really hard to the right, wasn't it? Yeah. Hold on, let me see if the stabilization's on. Okay, now stabilization's on. That might help. I feel like the all right, let's try it. Still going?
Yeah.
All right. Cross your fingers. Oh, whoa.
Uh-oh.
All right, I got it. Try and bring it. The rates are still, it's like, see how it's hitting real hard to the... It's rolling too hard. Oh. It was rolling way too hard.
No. Uh-oh.
I can get it to... Well, the only thing that happened was the prop. Well, let me unplug the... I gotta fix the tail rudder. Okay, oh, all in all, it didn't really do too much damage.
Yeah, it survived.
Yeah, I just gotta repair. I did, for whatever reason, it was just hitting hard. Just super hard to on the banks. I don't know why. What?
It's not really windy, huh?
Let's print out another prop and go from there.
Yeah.